Oh. Kasha! Oh. Yeah.
Hi there. Welcome to the NetInt 3D Sound Innovation Booth. We're busy working on taking sound to a whole new level with full 360-degree sound exposure. This could be experienced through your desktop, your mobile phone, or on your tablet through a normal set of headphones. With NetInt 3D Sound, you're surrounded by audio, and you can feel where things are with only sound. So you could hear and sense me when I'm on your left side, or over on your right side, or if I was in front of you, or standing right behind you. I could also be right in your ear. Now then, let's journey to the jungle. Feels real, doesn't it? Oh, can you hear that?
Look out!
There goes Gonzo on another quest. Now that thing's annoying. Let's move on. That's better. Thank goodness for air conditioning.
You don't see that every day.
3D sound is also great for creating scary atmospheres. But this is a bit too scary for me. I'm getting out of here. So how can we use NetInt 3D sound? Well, let's look at the difference between normal sound and 3D sound. First, in normal sound. That's not too bad. But now, let's hear how it could be with NetInt 3D sound. Awesome. Did you feel that difference? NetInt is all about enabling the best possible gaming experience. With NetInt 3D Sound, you could get fully immersed in the game like never before. And in the near future, this innovation could be experienced on NetInt games through a set of headphones on your desktop and mobile devices. Until then, I'm just gonna blob out. Thanks for listening to me in 3D. See ya!